Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have B&O Beoplay H7 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily just disconnect from your iOS device. So at first we have to scroll down to our control panel, then we have to click on our Bluetooth folder where our Bluetooth is located. Now we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to go into Bluetooth settings. And now, as you can see, in my devices is our device. Now we have to go into our device info, back in this info button over here. Now we have to just click disconnect. That's it. To connect back, we have to click on our device back. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.